I am gonna smoke a bone-in pork loin roast. Here from Parts Unknown. If you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Can Daddy cook? Hey guys, welcome to Daddy Cooks. This episode is from Parts Unknown. If you like my type of videos, guys, you might want to hit the subscribe button. Turn on notifications by hitting the bell and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Before I continue on, I would like to give one shout out, and then after that, I'm going to give one holla, which is different. I want to give this shout out to Steve Cusato. His YouTube channel is Not Another Cooking Show. Fantastic editing skills, fantastic knife skills, fantastic kitchen presence. I really enjoy his videos, and I think you will too. Head on over there, subscribe, tell him Phil from Daddy Cooks sent you. Okay. Now, the holla is for my friend Alan Fobbs. He's got a Facebook group called All Sports Fan Group. Go check him out. He does a lot of sports. He be talking a bunch of shit now. We have a disagreement about him and LeBron and me and Michael Jordan, who's the best. It's just a simple camaraderie. I mean, a simple freaking disagreement because he don't realize he's wrong. Anyway, stay tuned. If you want a shout out on this channel, guys, all you have to do is be a subscriber to Daddy Cooks and shoot me a message every now and again. Let me know that you're interacting, you're interested in my channel. And if you have a good channel with good content and I like it, I can just about guarantee that you will be getting a shout out. All right, guys, I got this beautiful loin roast here in Parts Unknown. It looks like this. Notice the cuts in there, the cuts between the bone for easy carving. I just did a simple smoke on it. What I did was I prepped it, obviously after I washed it off. A lot of times when people do pork, there's two things they do wrong with it. They under-season and they overcook. All right, guys, the first step was I washed the meat and then I salted it. Next step, I hit it with some yellow mustard and some Killer Hogs, the spicy Killer Hogs. I then went downstairs, got the fire squared away. Once the fire was good to go, Dusty, I did use that Indonesian lump charcoal that I got while I was here. Everything started up fine, so just like any other charcoal, just came from Indonesia. Before I took the roast downstairs, I gave it another dusting of killer hogs after I let it steep. I took that beautiful piece of meat downstairs, I put it on the grill, and I let it go until I got to my desired temp. I did not cook to time, I cooked to temperature. Finally, I went downstairs once I reached the internal temperature of about 150 to 155 Fahrenheit. I let it go a little long because where I got the meat, I'm here in parts unknown. I don't want to take no chances with the pork. Make sure it was done all the way through. And that beautiful thing I took off of the grill. Now I'm up here in the room and that thing looks beautiful. It looks just like this. Now at this point, I'm just gonna let it rest. While it's resting, I'm gonna see if I can find someone to do a taste test for me. If not, I'll be doing a taste test myself. So I will be right back. YouTube, like I told you, I got to find me a taste tester. And the taste tester is, he used to be my boss. Last rotation, you met Joel. All right, he did the porchetta taste test. Well, he ain't my boss this time. We kids. I got promoted. Here you go. Here we go. There he is. All right, Joel.
All right, here we go.
You ain't
too. This is for you, baby.
All right.
Can't get right? This is for you, baby.
Here we go.
Bill?
What?
Tastes so good, make you wanna.
Okay.
But we won't do that.
You getting what? Smoke?
It's smoke.
Okay.
It's juicy too.
Okay, good.
Smoke, juicy. Got a good flavor.
Good flavor?
Good flavor. Good
Not
flavor.
too salty?
No.
Little heat in the back?
It's good.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Well, Phil, you can turn that camera off right now, cause
You got something to do?
yeah.
Let me turn it around. All right. Thanks, Hank. I appreciate it. There it is, guys. I haven't tasted it yet. I'm going to do a taste test for you. I'll be right back. Well, guys, there you have it. Hank said it all. I did do my taste test off camera, and the pork was delicious. It had the classic, Malcolm Reed flavors from his rub, because that's what I use. The salt that I did beforehand did enhance the flavors. It wasn't bland. It was very, very juicy, and it had all the smoke, and it was fantastic. That Indonesian charcoal did just fine. That's all I got, y'all. I really thank you for watching. Miss you, love you. From parts unknown. If I was home, my girls would call me Daddy, and I cook. Can Daddy cook?